Okay, London session done. Took one trade on EURUSD. EURUSD hard time frame breakout levels are mostly bullish. Monthly is bearish. Last month closed as an inside month, but this month we've faked out the previous month low, and we're now above it. So monthly traders are pushing up, and weekly traders closed in breakout. So as long as we stay above this week breakout level, I'm bullish. We're also above the daily breakout level. We have 2 time frame alignment on the weekly. Weekly traders pushing up, was looking for low of the day buys to continue the high time frame trend. So today's a breakout day. We have hard time frames pushing up on a breakout day. What I'm looking for, and peak bias are both up, weekly and monthly are up. So I'm looking for a trend continuation. I'm looking for a fake out of the H8 low to take it up to the previous day high. So price came down, faked out the H8 low, and I want to take this up to the previous day high. So 3 p.m. is started my session. I did see this move, but this is too early for me, so I waited until 3 p.m. And I was actually waiting for price to fake out the H1 low. I thought it would do that, so I was waiting for. I dropped down to the 5-second. I was actually going to scalp this move from way down here, but instead it kind of left without me. It didn't come down, and then I ended up taking this as a day trade instead. I took it on the M15 here, straight off this M15 bar. This is an H8 false breakout. Here's the H8 breakout level. Came down, faked out the low. This is a breakout reversal on the H8, and then getting above the H8 breakout level is a false breakout. So this move right here, this is what's happening on the H8 breakout reversal, and then flipping that breakout level is a false breakout. And so this was a move that I ended up taking. On the daily, the setup is a trend continuation, a trend retracement, coming from a nice breakout, coming down, faking out the low to take it up. This one right here, this is a trend retracement setup. So that's what I'm taking. So I took it straight off the M15, wanted to hold it up to previous day high for 2.5 R, but I'll see how price behaves at this level right here. For me, if price, oops. So here's my entry right here, and the exit. If price gets up all the way to this level over here, this 85% level, I'm not, and if I see some sort of reversal over here, I'm just going to exit. I'm not going to risk all this R if it gets up there just to make this little bit. So if I see some sort of reversal right at that H8 fake out level, then I'm just going to exit. Otherwise, just going to keep holding on to this stop loss at the low of the day, and let's see what happens. So I was also looking at EuroCAD, but I like the EURUSD one better. We're closer to this H8 breakout level. This one is kind of in the middle of nowhere, but we do have the daily open and the weekly open, but I generally don't trade those levels. But if I really like a setup, then I don't mind taking at that. This was also right below that previous month high, so I did not want to take that. Euro Swiss, I was also this one also set up for me, but it did not fake out the H8 low, but it did not get above the H8 breakout level. It always stayed down. Right before London Open, 245 here. I saw this move, and then after that, it just never got up. So no trades on Euro Swiss. And then the last one I was looking at is GBP CAD. Came down, so it was ranging and consolidation. It's the second day of a breakout. So what I'm looking for on the second day of a breakout is consolidation here, and then breaking out of the H8 high above previous day high. So what happens? We break out some consolidation, and I was looking for a breakout. It looks like it's happening right now, but my session's already done. I think there was a weekly level. There was enough room for me to take this one, but session's done. So this one's I'm not going to take. And I think that was it. EuroCAD, Euro, yeah, I think so. I already set it up for my New York pairs, and that's it. So done. Let's see what happens with EURUSD. Hopefully this continues on up.